Hey there, Tamir from FIBONACCI.com, your daily market recap. Like, subscribe. Still with no voice, so bear with me. We will start with the SPY. Close the day with a 0.7% to the downside. Overall, we still have this gap at the 523.80. Needs to get filled. We might get filled during Thursday, Friday, so stay tuned for more interesting price action. For now, this is the support. The resistance is the all-time highs. This is how it looks on the 65 minutes. As you can see, we opened the day with a gap to the downside and then just move sideways with 526.70 as the resistance. 524.70 is the support. Not much of a price action, so stay on the sidelines. It's perfectly fine not to trade. We don't need to trade every day. We trade only once we see the opportunity, and for now, not much of a movement also on the QQQ. As you can see, 459 is the support, 460 is the resistance. This is how it looks on the 65 minutes. Open the day and then just moved sideways with the upper border of the yellow zone, the 455 as the support, 458 as the resistance. Dow Jones continues to break down with more than 1% to the downside, open with a gap to the downside. Now below the lower border of the yellow zone, it looks like bears are taking the Dow all the way, closing this gap at the 382, and then 380 is the next support. Super bearish on the Dow since middle of May. As you can see, look at this flash to the downside at the Dow Jones. Last time it happened over here, we went all the way to the 375. Let's see where bulls of the Dow will re-enter. For now, no bulls at sight. This white trend line needs to hold together with the 380, otherwise 375. IWM 1.5% to the downside, all the way to the 50% retracement into the yellow zone. Bearish on 3 out of 4 time frames. Breaking down and under, we will see this gap at the 200 getting filled, and then a touch at the lower border of the yellow zone. Breaking down and under, we will go all the way back to the 191. Always look left where price came from, and then you can trade right. Last time this kind of price action happened, it went all the way from 211 to 191, and also, as you can see, the IWM broke below the uptrend channel, so this channel is not relevant anymore. Bitcoin, for the time that I'm recording this video, still moving sideways between the 66,650 as support, 69,300 is the resistance. Overall sideways move. This is why we've got ourselves 3 out of 4 time frames from the FTI. We are bearish. It doesn't mean we need to go short on Bitcoin. It just means that if you are not long yet on Bitcoin, in my opinion, and according to the FTI, this is still not the time to go long on Bitcoin. Ethereum also moving sideways in the past 10 days or so. Look at this. 3,700, a very important area of support. Let's zoom in a little bit so we can see clearly, more clear, the support. 3,700, below it 3,530. This is the resistance, 3,970, and then all this resistance, future resistance for Ethereum. For now, nothing much on Ethereum, nothing much on all crypto land. This video is sponsored by Cryptonomy. Thank you very much, Cryptonomy, for sponsoring this video. Cryptonomy is more than just a crypto platform. It's a venture fund, trading organization, and a crypto credit company all in one. With Cryptonomy, you can securely store your crypto, stake your assets for passive income, and even join the flagship product, the Launchpool, which is closely tied to our venture operations. In future videos, I will talk also about the Launchpool. I'm super excited to share that I've recently joined Cryptonomy, and today I'll show you how to make deposits and start earning. I already make deposits of 0.0234 Bitcoin APR 24.7%. It's crazy APR. Join today and you will start earning money just by depositing your cryptos. You have Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Tron, XRP, BNB, Dogecoin, Dash, and many more coins that Cryptonomy is. This is my Cryptonomy wallet, and as you can see, I already have some Bitcoin, I already have some Ethereum. My Bitcoin is already in the interest account, but it supports many crypto coins. So join today and take your crypto investments in the next level. Once again, Cryptonomy, thank you very much for sponsoring this video. Magnificent 7 ETF, the MAGS, still inside this very nice uptrend. You can take trend lines that will show you we are inside an uptrend. We are above the blue line. Now let's clean the chart. Now you can see, according to the FTI, this tool that I have developed after 7 years of searching for that one tool that will give me up to 85–90% accuracy where price might be heading next. I have developed the FTI, which is based purely on Fibonacci. You know me, I trade Fibonacci and trend lines, and you have also this multi-time frame table that you can change according to the time frame that you are trading. Everything is adjustable. If you join the Fibonacci-Traders Discord, the gold membership, check the links in the description below. We have a bundle, the Fibonacci-Traders gold membership together with the FTI, so you will have all the tools that you need to become a successful trader and see where price might be heading next. Now the Magnificent 7 at the 42.30 is the resistance, the 41 is the support, long continuation, and we will see this future resistance to the upside. SOXX 2% to the downside, still inside an uptrend channel. 232 is the support, but as long as SOXX is inside this uptrend channel, we are good to go long. If you're not long yet on SOXX, I would wait. Once again, this is not an investment. This is not, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not advising of any kind. Do your own due diligence. This is merely my professional opinion, but it's only my opinion. You need to know how to do your own due diligence. And if you don't know, please check the links in the description below. Choose your path to financial freedom with me, with FIBONACCI-Traders.com, with Tamir. Everything is with me. All the programs that you choose, whether it's the one-on-one live with me or the pre-recorded, same program, pre-recorded, you will get lifetime access to me, support, guidance, and all Discord channels we have. Trading floor in English, trading floor in Hebrew, day traders, swing traders, crypto traders, option traders, short, long, future traders, and now we are working also to add professional for Forex trading. So choose your path to financial freedom. All the links in the description below. SOXX long continuation above the 243, and we will meet 256 to the upside. TAN, the solar sector, in my opinion, looks very hot, not hot enough, which means if you're looking for the next sector, my eyes on TAN, the solar ETF. We have been talking about this ETF since it broke the 45 area. Now the 46 area is the support. Long continuation above the 48.55, and then we will go and close the gap at the 51.80. Of course, we have also JKS that I've been talking about this name in the past few videos. We took JKS once it broke above the 26.78, and when I say we, it's the Fibonacci-Traders Discord members. As I said, we have day traders, swing traders, all under one roof. Now long continuation above 30.30, and we will see 33, and then this gap and this gap at the 36.50 will get filled. Another very interesting name is CSIQ, broke above this blue trend line. Now let's see continuation holding above the 19.20, and then we will see 20.80 and all this red future resistance for price action. Like, subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell because we are going live, voice or no voice, 8:29 Eastern Time, preparing together for the next trading day. Nvidia with a new intraday all-time highs now at the 11.48. Next we will see 12.63 and 1400 to the upside. Now the 1070 is the support. We have a gap over here, but Nvidia for now super bullish. And yes, we can see the same price action we saw over here from 470 all the way to 950. We can see over here from 900 all the way to 1400 to the upside. This is Nvidia, all eyes on Nvidia. Apple with another inside candle, doji, and as we can see, since May 14th, Apple is moving sideways. The 187 is the support inside this short-term uptrend channel. The 193 is the resistance, breaking up and above, and we will see 201 on Apple new all-time highs, and then 211 to the upside. Meta 1.16% to the downside, and as you can see, Meta is struggling to close this gap. This gap, since Meta's earnings back in April, this gap is still open. Now the 473 is the support. We do have here some kind of a double top scenario that can take us back to the 460 and then 439. Overall, we are still 3 out of 4 time frames bullish on Meta. But first I want to see this gap getting filled and then breaking above the 486. If you are not long yet on Meta, above 486, 487. If you're already long, I would put my stop just below the green label that the FTI gives us, or just below the 459. Do your own due diligence. It's your risk tolerance. You need to know what's your risk tolerance. And if you don't know how to manage risk, check the Fibonacci-Traders Academy playlist. I have a special video on how to use ATR to manage your risk. And of course, if you want to elevate your trading journey to the highest level, learn from a professional trader, and I will go with you hand by hand until each and every one of you that joins my program will be able to do exactly what I do. I teach you exactly my method, step by step, how I look at charts, how I find A+ setups for swing trading and day trading. I will teach you, as I said, hand by hand, the exact method, how I look at charts, and it doesn't matter what you want to trade, whether it's stocks, ETFs, futures, crypto, forex, swings, day trading, shorts, longs. I will teach you everything that you need to know, everything that I know. Join the Fibonacci-Traders program today to be fully prepared for the second half of 2024. It's just around the corner. Microsoft moving sideways. 424 is the support, 434 is the resistance, long continuation above it, and we will see 446 and 462 to the upside. Google also sideways move all across the board. Market is looks like taking some kind of a break. Also Google in the past 9 trading days, moving sideways. 172.70 sorry, is the support. 179 is the resistance, still inside this blue option channel, so we are good to go long. Bearish on the daily, it doesn't mean we need to go short on Google. It just means that the FTI is helping us to manage our emotions, and control our emotions and make better decisions. The FTI gives us bearish on the daily because it identifies that Google has a difficult time breaking this area of resistance, so it tells us patience. AMD back to the downside, 377 area. Yesterday we said that this red trend line together with the 174 is a very difficult area of resistance, and we expect some kind of a pullback, and here we are, pulled back. Now the upper border of the yellow zone is the support. It is already a support since May 16th. Now needs to continue hold the support, otherwise 158 and then this gap at the 153. Tesla, still nothing much, as you can see, just stuck to this area of the 176, 175, nothing much, sideways move. And Tesla, we can say since end of April, not much of a price movement, downtrend continuation, and we will see 168, 161 and this gap at the 147. I'm waiting for a weekly close above the 186 to reassess if it's time to go long on Tesla. Netflix 0.9% to the upside. Very strong day, very bullish on Netflix. Now the 637 is the support. It was support over here. Look left, trade right. It was resistance over here, the 637. Now it's the support breaking below. We will retest the 617. Long continuation above yesterday's highs. And we will see 697 and 740 together with this blue trend line. Amazon continues to slide down, grinding it down. Each day that goes by, lower highs, lower lows. Today, Wednesday, May 29th, closed with a doji, struggling with the yellow zone. Downtrend continuation, and we will meet once again 179 and 176 to the downside. SMCI 4% to the downside, stuck inside the yellow zone, the no trading zone. Once you see the price inside the yellow zone, you know it's a no trading zone. Below the 803, we will continue to the downside to the 745 and 660. I want to see a weekly close above the 888. Once again, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful, educational. If yes, hit the like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. If my voice will allow me, 8:29 Eastern Time, we are preparing together for the next trading day. Until then, stay safe.